At Mercy College, there are tremendous opportunities everywhere you go. There are opportunities in the classroom and there are opportunities outside of the classroom. I would suggest students, if they're thinking about the end in mind and they're trying to prepare themselves for their career at the end, which is really what college is all about, they ought to do a few things. They ought to join a club. You want to get engaged, get involved, and if you can, take on a leadership role, because that's the kind of thing employers are looking for, and you're going to build skills they're looking for. I would also go to things, go to events, go to basketball games, go to anything and everything that's on the calendar. Explore, make yourself really interesting, broaden yourself, make Mercy your home. You want to make Mercy your home environment so that you can really thrive here. Part of exploring is internships. The other thing that you should be doing, you don't have to worry about it freshman year, but sophomore year on up, you need to get experience in the workforce. So you can do that, you can explore that way. Or you can go deep into what you want to do in your field, what you hope to do when you graduate. So to do that, you need to try to get an internship if you can, or relevant work experience. And meet people. You need to meet people. Get to know your professors. We have fabulous faculty here. You want to get to know your faculty. They might be the beginning of your professional network. An internship will build your professional network. The career team will help you put it all together. We put on programs so you can learn all the kinds of skills you need to manage your career to complement what you're learning in the classroom. You're going to get out of this what you put into it. Everything's here for you to embrace. You need to embrace it. We're so happy you're here.